Hi, I'm Jodie from Tonic Studios and welcome to our amazing booth. Now this is the launch of the brand new memory books here in the US. Now how do you like to make your memory books? Yes, memory books can be a little long to make. How do you want to make your books? 15 minutes from beginning to end to be able to make your book. Now in this collection we've got 2 base core dies, which is this beautiful Life's Journey, which is going to give you a square book in 3 sizes, 7-inch, 6-inch, and also a 5-inch. We come across and we have got the beautiful decal edge in that one. Now that one gives you 5 different size books, and then it's over to you. How do you want to decorate? Bring in your papers, bringing in your mediums. There are so many different ways of playing with this now. You've also got all the accessories to go alongside these. From, let's face it, a play on words. If I turn that one round, paper clips. Yes, you're going to cut them out of paper, you're going to stick them on to give you all your beautiful embellishments. You've got your months of the year, your days of the week, all your ordinals in there. My favourite, the Polaroid. Absolutely adore the Polaroid with all the amazing words in the bottom there. That makes absolutely stunning home decor. And then all your words, your tabs, your little embellishments. These really do allow you to be able to play, to put your personal touch in, but also make the most amazing books for you to keep all your memories within. So that is the memory book collection. But we have got all the brand new shaker elements as well. These are beautiful. How do you fancy a bit of shaky? Because you can bring in all your confettis, your glitters, your sequins, and make all your beautiful wares. In this size box, you'll find the die, along with 5 blisters. You can then also buy the addition blisters, so you can still use your dies, but then you've got your stamps in there to personalise them, from a cup of happiness to a little ducking. So all your sentiments are in the stamps as well. But as you can see, we've got a whole array, from coffee cups to champagne glasses to Prosecco glasses to the children's versions with all the rockets and the rubber duckies and the crowns. It's an absolute endless collection of, let's face it, fun for our crafting. So I hope you enjoy all of these. They are all available now, so I can't wait to see what you make.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.